All right, so you've heard of white dudes for Kamala, South Asians for Harris, childless cat ladies for Harris, and now that is rap artist Megan Thee Stallion introducing hotties for Harris. And of course, the right is so mad. Megan Thee Stallion performed at Kamala Harris's first campaign event, a massive event in Atlanta, Georgia. And it had a number of celebrities, including Megan Thee Stallion. Quavo of Migos was there, speaking about gun violence. He is from Atlanta, and his nephew and fellow Migos artist was murdered by gun violence, killed by gun violence. Texas. But anyway, that doesn't matter because here we go. Megan Thee Stallion, always triggering the right. Everyone is upset about that, including, of course, the guy who had to do his own version of WAP and thinks that Megan Thee Stallion has a medical condition if she does have a WAP, Ben Shapiro.
Ray knows he needs to get those dental implants, but working the weekend just to afford them? Let's table that. Aspen. If you find this sort of thing attractive,
she didn't do a lot of twerking. She wore a suit. Yes, 8 long years of watching this incredible performer. Now, to talk about Megan at this event, I just want to explain. She didn't do a lot of twerking. She wore.
But should she have done it at all? That is the question. Should she have done it at all? No. What is a good reason to do that at a rally of a political figure? What is a logical reason? There is no logical reason or good reason to do that. So to say she did not do a lot, but to say she did not do a lot of booty shaking, that doesn't mean that it was judicious or respectable to do that at all. Yo, Francesca, bro. Francesca, she excuses. She never fails to excuse BS, goofy stuff, crazy stuff. She is a true Wokey. That is the indisputable truth. Crazy.
Yes, 8 long years of watching this incredible performer. Now,
that setting is not the appropriate setting to twerk in. This is not the place to do sexual dances. Do that in a setting in which it would be truly appropriate to do that thing, but don't do it. But don't do it in a rally, bro. Yo, stupidity, bro. It is true stupidity to twerk at a rally, bro. You don't have to be a repub. You don't have to be a repub to say that what she did was not appropriate. You just gotta be logical.
About Megan at this event, I just want to explain. She didn't do a lot of twerking. She wore a suit and a jacket. Yeah, it was like a crop top, but like barely reined in, and there was no cussing. She was like live editing herself on during the performance. There were no swears, which is pretty incredible. But of course, that didn't stop a lot of online right wingers and obviously Ben Shapiro there from saying things like this. Evan Kilgore saying "hose for Harris." Good rats for Harris.
Yeah.
Single black mamalas for Kamala. And white dudes for Harris. The left-wing movement is pure ghetto trash. Anyone who watches Kamala. And white dudes for Harris. The left-wing movement is pure ghetto trash. Anyone who watches the performance by Megan Thee Stallion and is sincerely moved to vote for Kamala should be deported.
The only thing I disagree with is the last part, because if you were born in the U.S., you should not be deported, bro. You cannot be deported because you were born here. Bro. But the other things, yes, he's cooking. Yeah. Yeah, it is crazy that that goofy-ish is what that goofy-ish is being promoted and praised. It's crazy, bro.
Trash. Anyone who watches the performance by Megan Thee Stallion and is sincerely moved to vote for Kamala should be deported. Trash. Anyone who watches the performance by Megan Thee Stallion and is sincerely moved to vote for Kamala should be deported. All the bigotry. The conservative duck then tweets.
What?
All the bigotry. The conservative duck then tweets, I love that after the rally, Harris said featuring Megan Thee Stallion, hose for Harris is trending, but it's very interesting to see that Kamala Harris has to resort to a gyrating rapper to pull
Yeah, that's crazy. That says that she doesn't have a lot of respect for the people she professes to rock with.